start. In the present case, during the course of counting, an application was made to the Election Commission of India, wherein it has been stated that there was difference in signature of the presiding officer on the ballot paper of booth numbers 105, 106 and 107 stop. It was alleged that the candidate of Rashtriya Janata Dal had received 99% votes stop. In respect of another two booths, there was another application, although the same could not be produced original, but there was allegation that there was irregularities in the signature of the presiding officer of booth numbers 225 and 249 stop. He filed another application for recounting before the Chief Election Commissioner, New Delhi, which was marked as Exhibit 1 of Annexure 6 of the election petition, wherein grounds raised that the appellant lost election by a margin of 265 votes, whereas number of votes rejected were 2000 and several votes were wrong declared invalid stop passage. It was also alleged that there was irregularities in the signature of the presiding officers of booth numbers 105, 106 and 225 stop. But the learned judge found that a new case was sought to be developed, that huge number ballot papers of booth numbers 105, 106 and 225 did not even bear the signatures of the presiding officers. There was no distinguished marks of the booths itself, which was not the case when they filed the petition before returning officer or the Election Commission of India stop. The learned single judge, after examining the matter, for that the ground which was raised before the Election Commission of India and the ground which were raised by appellant for recounting before the returning officer were different stop. But after going through the matter, be observed that the petition, in order to sustaining the case for recount, has to make a definite case with a specific allegation before the returning officer stop. He found that grounds sought to be raised before the returning officer and before Election Commission were at variance stop. He further observed that if at the time of the counting the election raised objection and no good reasons were given by the returning officer for rejection, then that could make at case for recounting under section 63 of the Act stop. But no such case was made out stop. Similarly, learned counsel for the appellant, learned single judge, found two allegations during the trial also were not substantiated by oral or documentary evidence stop. It was also alleged that there was a difference in signature of the returning officer in the ballot papers stop. Subsequently, the case put up that the ballots did not bear the signature of the presiding officer at all, and there was not marks of the booths in the ballots stop. Learned single judge found that the attempt was made improve the case from stage to stage, therefore allegations lack bona fide and makes it doubtful stop. Learned single judge has also found that allegations of missing ballots and double marking brought out in the election petition, but such evidence was laid in support of the allegations stop.